In life, there are moments that define us. For the Thompson family, this was that moment. The annual Thompson family reunion, where success wasn't just celebrated, it was expected.
Made partner at the firm.
We're having twins.
Just bought that beach house in the Hamptons.
And then there was Michael.
Oh, that must be Michael and his new Tesla.
Finally, something to be proud of.
But fate had other plans.
Ta-da! 2025 Tesla Model Y.
Michael, dear, are those fake leather seats?
And just like that, the Thompson family legacy crumbled faster than their grandmother's award-winning apple pie.
I put you through business school for this?
I told your father we should have had another child.
Look away, kids. Just look away.
Even Buddy, the family golden retriever, who once ate an entire chocolate cake and lived, couldn't stomach this betrayal.
You know your cousin Gary, right? The one who joined the circus?
Yes, Nana.
Even his unicycle has leather seats.
Sometimes rock bottom has fake leather seats, but thankfully, redemption comes in leather-bound packages. Don't let cloth seats destroy your family legacy. LeatherTeck by EM Upholstery Technology. Because blood might be thicker than water, but leather is thicker than fake leather.
I still love you, Cousin Mike. Let me help you pick a leather color.
LeatherTeck by EM Upholstery Technology. Saving families one seat at a time.